fellow Nigerians, I say my bring una the latest. Because as it stands now, if una know say una brother dey Libya, more una know say dey inside shark stomach. Because yesterday now, water don carry more than 5,000 people when the FSC say they don't move. More than 10,000 dey inside shark stomach. Now say my crew bring the news o. Una know say una brother dey Libya. More dey find out for shark stomach. Same thing our Nigerians when dey there. They say man pass the message give our government. Say some they just trancate some dey inside prison. Why some now they dey inside shark stomach for Libya? Because the Mediterranean Sea now, e don full. Now e enter inside town. E don sweep many people overnight. People dey sleep. Now inside shark stomach, now they can't go find themselves. So my leaders say make they come to their aid, say they need their help. Especially for those who dey inside prison. They say they need their help, more for the book. I say my quick come be una the message o. If you know say you not here for your brother, not here for your sister, no say water don't carry and go. Because as the news they come now, they let them say people sleep for their house, they go wake up for inside Mediterranean Sea, for inside shark stomach. Now I say my compass now the message. Who don't hear me tell never hear. If you know say your brother dey Libya, try to find out. Make contact, may you hear from her. May you hear from your sister or your brother. So water don't carry they go. 10,000 are missing, they never see them, they sleep for their house. Water can carry they go. 5K don't already move. I say man, I can't give them money, pass and give the useless leaders, very useless leaders. When I go sit down.
At least 2,000 people have died from extreme flash flooding in eastern Libya. The city of Derna underwater and practically erased. 10,000 people are still feared missing, and rescue efforts are now underway.
The Mediterranean storm Daniel has hit Libya hard and fast, and thousands are feared to be missing as flash floods rip through eastern towns, erasing entire neighbourhoods. The Prime Minister of the East Libya government has begun declaring disaster zones and has already shared a shocking number of fatalities on Libyan TV.
The number of people killed is over 2,000. Entire neighbourhoods were swept away by the water.
What we can confirm now that thousands of people have lost their lives, thousands of people have lost their homes, and thousands of families are stranded or lost.
A spokesman for the country's Eastern Armed Forces attributed the catastrophic floods to the collapse of two nearby dams. Videos shared online show apocalyptic scenes. Pile-ups of cars crashed into each other by the current. Local authorities have a massive recovery task ahead of them. They can expect help from Turkey, who've pledged to send a rescue team and 3 planes carrying humanitarian aid. Battered by years of instability and extremism, eastern Libya has weathered the worst of political upheaval. But the infrastructure that survived so much man-made chaos has crumbled against the force of this natural disaster.